Switching music streaming services doesn't mean leaving your beloved playlists behind. So, you're ditching Spotify for the Apple Music ecosystem. Or perhaps you're just doubling up your subscriptions and want your music readily available on both platforms, whatever your reason. Transferring your painstakingly crafted playlists doesn't have to be a headache today. We're diving into the best ways to move those tunes, ensuring your soundtrack stays with you, no matter where you stream. Let's get started. The easiest and most popular method involves using third-party playlist transfer apps. These services are specifically designed to bridge the gap between different music platforms. We'll primarily focus on a widely recommended, free option to demonstrate. First, you'll need to download and install a reputable playlist transfer app from your device's app store. Search for terms like Spotify to Apple Music Transfer or Playlist Converter. Once installed, open the app and you'll typically be prompted to connect your Spotify account. Grant the app the necessary permissions to access your Spotify data. Next, the app will usually scan your Spotify account and present you with a list of your playlists. Simply select the playlist or playlists you wish to transfer over to Apple Music. Most apps allow for bulk selection, saving you a lot of time. With your selection made, you'll then need to connect your Apple Music account again. Similar permissions will be requested. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. Once both accounts are linked, hit that transfer button. The app will then get to work searching for matching songs on Apple Music and recreating your playlist there. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of your playlists and the app you're using. Once complete, open your Apple Music app, navigate to your playlists, and voila! Your Spotify playlist should now be waiting for you. And there you have it, a seamless transition for your music. This method is incredibly efficient and perfect for those with extensive music libraries. Enjoy your music, anywhere, anytime.